Welcome to AVAMIGRATRON. In this video, let's get to know how you can perform incremental migration for a specific chat with AVAMIGRATRON. Once all your Slack chats data is migrated to Teams, you might notice some message regrowth during the migration process. To migrate these additional messages, we'll need to take inventory of the same chat again to fetch the up-to-date inventory data. When migrating data using the latest inventory, only the additional messages compared to the previous inventory will be migrated. Let's now proceed with the migration of these additional messages. To begin, navigate to the Inventory module on the AVAMIGRATRON menu bar and select Detailed Inventory. Click on Start Inventory, and here you can take custom inventory of specific chats, DMs, and MMs for those additional messages. Download the template provided and fill in the necessary details, such as chat ID and name, using the export details from the high-level inventory. You can also rename the inventory and set specific start and end dates to assess your workspace for a defined period. Upload the template and select Start Inventory. Once the assessment is completed, you can view an overall summary along with the migration status. Next, proceed to the Migration tab and choose Conversation Migration, then continue to Content Migration. Customize the migration as needed, select the inventory to be migrated, and either choose Schedule Migration or Start Immediately. Monitor the current migration progress by clicking Refresh to view the updated status. And there you go. Effortlessly migrate all your last-minute data with AVAMIGRATRON. It's now simpler than ever. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.